There are three gates to the self-destructive hell: lust, anger, and greed. Set your heart upon your work, but never its reward. Fear not what is not real, never was and never will be. What is real always was and cannot be destroyed. A man is made by his belief. As he believes, so he becomes. No one who does good work will ever come to a bad end, either here or in the world to come. Do everything you have to do, but not with greed, not with ego, not with lust, not with envy, but with love, compassion, humility, and devotion. For one who has conquered his mind, a mind is best of friends, but for one who has failed to do so, a mind is the greatest enemy. Whatever happened was good. What's happening is going well. Whatever will happen will also be good. Do not worry for the future. Live in the present. It is better to perform one's own duties imperfectly than to master the duties of another. Change is the law of the world. In a moment you become the owner of millions. In the other you become penniless. Happiness is a state of mind that has nothing to do with the external world. When a person responds to the joys and sorrows of others as if they were his own, he has attained the highest state of spiritual union. It is not those who lack energy or refrain from action, but those who work without expectation of reward attain the goal of meditation. When you love God, you love everything beyond illusion and doubt. He who has no attachment can really love others, for his love is pure and divine.